Samsung Galaxy A52 inches closer towards its launch, and some of its key specifications have been leaked online through multiple news sources. So in this video we'll be discussing everything we know so far about Samsung Galaxy A52, like its leaked specifications and release date. So stay tuned and keep watching. My name is Sobik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's begin. Before we jump right into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos, and we post videos in a regular basis. Apart from Galaxy A72, Samsung is also repeatedly planning to launch Galaxy A52 very soon. Already two phones have been part of multiple leaks hinting at the imminent release. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G has received Bluetooth and Wi-Fi certifications suggesting that it could be launched soon. The Wi-Fi listing shows that Samsung Galaxy A52 5G will run on Android 11 and have dual-band Wi-Fi 5, while the Bluetooth listing confirms that the smartphone will come with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. The Galaxy A52 has appeared on various certification sites over the past few weeks and is expected to be launched in the first half of 2021. The smartphone is listed on the Bluetooth certification site carrying model number SMA526B, confirming that Samsung Galaxy A52 5G will come with Bluetooth 5.0 support. On the Wi-Fi certification site, Samsung Galaxy A52 5G is listed with model number SMA526N, SMA526O and SMA526B. The N in the first model number could indicate that it is model that will launch in Korean market. The Wi-Fi listing also shows that the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G will come with dual-band Wi-Fi supporting 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, and the smartphone will run on Android 11. Back panel images of Samsung Galaxy A52 were leaked online earlier this week. The images suggest that the smartphone could have a rectangular quad camera setup with 4 sensors placed in a L-shaped manner. They also suggest that the smartphone will come with a USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm audio jack. As per a recent report, Samsung Galaxy A52 production has begun in the company's Greater Noida facility. The 4G variant recently received the Bureau of Indian Standards, also known as BIS certification, that also indicates an imminent launch in India. Samsung Galaxy A52 also listed on China's 3C certification site with 15-watt fast charging support. Leaked renders suggest that the Samsung Galaxy A52 could feature a 6.5-inch display with a hole punch cutout for selfie camera. It may have slim bezels all around. An earlier report had indicated that the smartphone will have a quad rear camera setup with a 64-megapixel primary camera. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G could be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G SoC, while the 4G variant will likely to have Snapdragon 720G SoC. And both the phone is expected to launch in the first half of 2021. So this is everything we know so far about this Samsung Galaxy A52. If you have any question regarding this phone, you can leave your comment below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.